Hey guys, it's Anakin here. A good recipe with leftover rice is chicken fried rice. Let's get into this. We've been marinating this chicken in mojo for 24 hours. Now we're gonna chop up some carrots and some onions. Now we're gonna cook this chicken. Now let's smush some garlic. Now we're mixing some butter. Now let's saute the veggies. Now let's cut up some chicken. Now we are gonna dump the veggies. Now we crack the eggs. We wait for the egg to cook. After we just chopped up the chicken, now we're gonna pour it into the veggies. We add the rice. Now we're gonna make the sauce with butter, garlic, and soy sauce. Last thing, forgot to do, check my hair. Spiffy. We're gonna give this a taste test. Bon appetit. Amazing.